High-efficiency low-water washers provide better cleaning wires and less water and energy. These washers operate and sound different than traditional water-heater washers. Let's look at a few of the differences. Before starting the cycle, you will need to add detergent. Because low-water washers use less water than traditional washers, a high-efficiency or HE detergent that produces less suds is needed for cleaning and rinsing. Look for the HE label on the box or bottle. Add a measured HE detergent into the bottom of a wash basket. Be sure to add detergent before you load the clothes. Because we use less water than traditional washers, detergent into the top of clothes could lead to staining. Now, load the washer. Add items in loose heap evenly around the wash plate. Correct any items to lay over the wash plate. For best results, load items no higher than the top of the basket. Close the lid and select your desired cycle. We're going to select normal and extra heavy and extra spin, and press the start button to begin the cycle. It'll add water 2 times, and it'll automatically lock the lid. Let's take a listen. This is part of normal operation, in the beginning of a sensing sequence.
It's locked.
After the load size has been determined, the washer adds water, frankly moves the load, and then pauses to add time to the water soak into the load. If you need to add a garment after the lid has locked, press the start pause button to pause the cycle. Wait for the tub to complete stop, and then we open the lid to add a garment. This can take up to 2 minutes if the basket is spinning. Be sure to close the lid and press start. And the washer adds water 2 times again, and then it'll start agitating again. Simple as that. During the wash cycle, you may notice the washer uses significantly less water than a traditional washer. This low-water washer cleans the load efficiently and effectively for the following actions. During this portion of the cycle, you may hear sounds like this. This is completely normal. Toward the end of a wash cycle, you may hear shorter back and forth motions in the wash plate to ensure dispensing to have the prior to drain and spin. At the end of the wash cycle, there will be a pause to allow the clothes to soak. The lid lock, and the washer will empty through the drain hose at the back of the washer. Let's listen to normal drain sounds. During the final spin, the washer uses spins at variable speeds in order to protect the clothing, maintain balance, and not allow water removal. The basket progresses to heavy and coasting to achieve the highest spin speed, which saves drying time and energy. If the load is out of balance, the washer uses a series of agitation and slow spins, while adding water in a correct amount of loose water. This will add time to the total cycle time. If the basket is coasting to a final stop, you may not hear any sounds coming from the washer. While these washers operate and sound differently than traditional agitator washers, it can take up to 2 minutes if the basket has come to a complete stop. Once the spin portion of a cycle is over, the washer has stopped the basket completely, the washer automatically unlock, and the done the done beeper will chime. Notice how the washer removes a lot of moisture from the clothes. Because we use less water than traditional washers, we use the GE GTW 890. While these washers operate and sound different than traditional agitator washers, the benefit to you is gentler cleaning while using less water and energy.